Hello garden lovers, now it's time to tackle the front yard and I will be showing you exactly what is peeking out of the ground. Oh, one of the first things that's going is this here. I'm definitely going to be keeping the dirt, but I'm going to pull this out. That is dusty. Can I keep the dirt? Oh, yuck. I don't know. I think it might still be kind of, I don't know, frozen in there. Lots of leaves. I'm going to show you. Oh, I stepped on it. Oh, darn it all. Okay. I have all of these beautiful, right here, see? I have a whole bunch of beautiful red tulips. I'm anxious to show you guys this whole area is filled with tulips. And I really got to do this now because the tulips just started coming out. I have no choice but to take these leaves out. All right, I'm gonna get this done. I have some daffodils coming up here, right here. There's a whole bunch of leaves. Gotta get in here with my hands. So all the leaves are packed down. Everything's just packed down. Oh, I have some hostas coming up here. Oh, what's that? I'm not sure what that is. Have some hostas that are there. Look at all of that. Here I have some Magic Show, Wizard of Oz. Yeah, look at all the dirt on top of it too. Hello. I gotta get my gloves back on. Have some peonies here. Right there. Right there. I have a second one here and then another one there that fits all over here. Oh, my roses. I'm going to actually take this off and let my roses breathe for the rest of the afternoon. That doesn't look good. I'm gonna come chop that up. I wanted to show you my pinball wizard here. This is an allium and it gets quite big. I've never had these before, but apparently they get quite big. It's a big purple ball of flowers. So I have other ones there. I have the Beauregard. I don't know which one is bigger though. But anyhow, I'm gonna see once they come up. Look at this mess. Look at this thick mess. Oh, I have some Persica fritillaria. Let's see what this is all about. There you go. I'm supposed to have a bunch. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Sorry. It's supposed to be, oh, there's one poking right out of the leaf here. Huh? It found its way. It really literally poked its way through the leaf. That's so funny. Hi. Oh, here we have something also that's poking out. Tulipa Little Beauty. Wow, they're everywhere. They're just growing everywhere. So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna get cleaning. It's gotta get done. Welcome to the world of YouTube. So I'm completely wiped out. I filled 3 bags. How big are those bags? Yeah, I'm pretty pooped. I'm tired. So look at all of these tulips. I'm definitely gonna have to tiptoe through these. They're everywhere. These little girls are here. Clean this up also, take all of these dead leaves off and let the new life in. So This is just a first, you know, I've got lots of cleaning up to do still. I didn't discover anything else, anything new here. I showed you a while ago. This is my At Last roses, but I see that there's some black spot. I had a problem with that last year. While I'm at it, guys, I'll show you what my Japanese maple looks like in the spring before it starts shooting those beautiful red leaves. I don't know if you've seen a Japanese maple before, but oh my God, it is impressive. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at all these little buds coming. I trimmed it down 2 years ago. It was getting out of control, and I trimmed it down. It just looks, it's magical. It is a magical tree, seriously. And this is my Japanese lilac. It has white flowers, and it smells heavenly. I will show you that for sure. I planted this, when did this go in the ground? Oh, is it 15 years ago maybe? 13, 15. Same for this one. Same for this here, my arborvitae. It was a little tyke when I planted it. All of this has been here ever since. This is my magnolia here. It's the Susan, and for the longest time it was about this high, and just in the last 2 years it's just shooting straight up. But this one has a problem. It ends up getting these black spots on it and mildew, and I have to always spray it. And if I'm on it, it's good. If not, it starts losing its leaves. But it's such a beautiful tree, and it has beautiful purple aromatic flowers. They are just absolutely beautiful. This is my other magnolia. Oh, we have some little buds here. This is my other magnolia here, and this is just the, you know, the classic pinkish whitish magnolia tree. And I've been trimming it because I want it to turn into a tree and not just a bush, right? So I've been trimming at the bottom and trying to get it to, you know, it's growing upwards, and I want all of this to be cleaned out in the bottom. So yeah, that's that. Here, before when this one was smaller, this is a hydrangea that I planted, and I didn't realize that this one would get so big. And I planted my hydrangea there, and now in the summer it doesn't really give me many flowers, and I haven't been really taking care of it. I just chop it down and then it keeps growing back up, but I kind of leave it here even if there's no flowers, because it serves as a privacy area here. So there's full of leaves, and we usually have a little table set up here, and we come sit at night and just chit chat. So I wanted to share with you something that I did. I went to get. I was supposed to be creating a pond in my little nook area that I'm creating, my shade area. And I'm going to do a pond, but I was supposed to dig and create this, you know, a pond. And there's just so many roots. I'll show you. See these trees? There's a lot of roots going on here. So this whole area, as I mentioned, there it is. This whole area is going to be a little shade area. I went and got a tub, and this is going to be my pond. And I'm probably going to paint those black matte. I don't want it shiny, but I'm going to be putting, of course, water in there, and it will be in this area somewhere. And I'm going to be putting shrubs, plants, flowers, and right behind it there still will be stone. It's hard to explain, but I mean slabs of stone, rocks, and I want the water to fall into it. As time goes, I may change it up, get new ideas. I'm looking online at all kinds of different ideas and how to do it. This morning I woke up, and as I woke up I thought, a tub. It'll save on a lot of money, because I had to have someone come dig, and that was going to be with a big, I don't know what you call them, a big shovel, and dig and get through all of those roots. And those roots are my neighbor's trees. So I don't want to do something to, kill the trees. So I don't know. So I decided to do it that way. So we're going to keep the tub at the top. The pond will be on the top. I was supposed to put my fish in there, but my fish is really big. I have a good few fish. Some of them are going to be giving them away. So it's starting to rain. We're supposed to have a little bit of rain today and tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. A lot of rain. We're getting some rain. I'm happy I did what I did. I cleaned up in the front yard, and I had to do it in 2 different days, because one of the days it was really cold, and it's just a lot of work. So I'll show you what it's looking like right now. So all of this, I need to seed this whole area. There's no more grass. This is just weeds. It's just horrible. And it's going to be, I want nice green grass. I don't mind a weed here and there. I'm not looking for perfect. I'm just looking for green. So that's that there. See how they grew? Oh, look at how fast they're growing. These are all red tulips. Every single one of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a few days of work. So the video is like, just took me a few days to do the video. Oh guys, I am so anxious. I'm so anxious to finish all of this. All right, guys, my garden's back. And till then, keep gardening.